dolls, we're back, and today we'll be doing an unboxing video today of my neon sign. But before we get into this video, please subscribe to my channel today if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell so you can be the first one to be notified whenever I upload. So let's get into the video. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So my sign is here, you guys. Oh my God, I so love this. You want to turn it on?
Yeah.
Let's turn it on. Turn it on. Wow. So I absolutely love the way the sign turned out. It's so pretty. Don't you think it's pretty?
Yeah.
It's so pretty. And if you guys want to know where I got it from, I will definitely list the link below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye.
Bye.